Okay, so we're going to start by showing the problem here, and then we'll show how to repair it. And the problem is, very simply, we set up an app. This is a standard Windows UWP universal app. And there's nothing really on it except for we have a Viewbox, and inside that Viewbox we have a stack panel. And inside the stack panel we have a combo box. Now, we put the stack panel there just because without it, this combo box would be huge inside the view box. But normally you'd have, a stack panel or some kind of grid or something like that, and somewhere in the grid you'll have a combo box that you're going to use. It's just a standard combo box. We just named it CB main and just gave it a width and a height and put it in the center. So to take a look at this, the combo box comes up and it's just your basic combo box. Now I want to put some data in the combo box, so all I did here is go to the code behind page for the main page XAML, and I just created a method called loadBox. In the method I just created a string array and put a couple values in it, and then I set that to the item source of the combo box. So this is very simple, just to show you the example of what's going to happen. Now when we run this and we click on the combo box, what we can see is our mouse is all the way over here and we're all the way down here, and you see where the highlight is on the item for the combo box. So if you try to click on goodbye, hello is going to get selected because that's the one that the selection is actually on. Here I would have to click all the way down here in order to click today. So I'm not 100% sure what causes this, other than the fact that the scaling of the combo box does not scale well with the view box. Now it is created by the view box. If we took the view box away and we ran this, we click on the combo box, we can see that the combo box works properly, okay? But now the reason that we're using the view box, maybe in our app, the app needs to be resized, and you see how the combo box stays the same size regardless of the size of my window here. And that may not be what we're trying to do. Maybe we're trying to make it so that that combo box shrinks and expands with the rest of the windows. So if we have the view box around there, the view box kind of takes care of that for us and allows you to resize it along with the window. You can see how it gets bigger or smaller depending on what size the window is. And that'll happen by whatever controller, whatever that you have it within. Okay, so there is a very simple solution to this, but I can't tell you that I exactly know why it works, except that it seems to correct the issue with the combo box not scaling properly with the view box. And the way we do this is we'll go into our app.xaml, and we're going to create a style. Now I would assume you already know how to make a style, but I'm just going to quick go through this. We're just going to create an application resources area, and then we're just going to create a style right here. And I'm going to call this style Combo Box in Viewbox Repair style. Name it whatever you like, doesn't matter. Target type is actually going to be the view box, and in here we're going to set up a setter with a property of render transform, and under that we're going to make a setter value, and we're going to use the rotate transform. We're going to set the angle on this 0.0001. Now this basically just twists the view box just slightly, and for whatever reason, when we use this, it seems to take care of the issue. So, okay, now we're going to go back to our main page again, into the XAML, and into our view box, we're going to add the style, and I'm just going to use binding source static resource. Okay, and we'll see what happens. Now when we click on it, we see that even though our box is huge, our selection stays proper the way it should be. So there's your solution to the problem. Again, I'm not 100% sure exactly why it works, other than, just that little bit of a twist that you give it in the rotate transform angle seems to help. There's your solution from here. If you have any other solutions that are simpler than that, or any more insight, please leave a message below. Thank you.